Hello everyone, in this video I want to talk about how to select an object and how to unselect an object. If we want to select an object, we just need to left click mouse button. If we want to unselect an object, we just need to hold Shift key and left click your mouse button. Let's try to practice them. So let's go to Home tab, Draw panel, and draw 4 circles. I click here, draw first circle, and hit Space key and draw second circle and hit Space key, draw third circle and hit Space key, draw the fourth circle. So let's try to select all of the circles one by one. So move your cursor on the circle. Right, we see it's lighting up. Let's left click mouse button. We see that it shows some square. The color change means that this object is selected. Let's select this one. Put on the mouse button, left click the mouse button. Now we selected the second circle. Let's select the third one. Put on your cursor, left click your mouse button. Keep doing the last one. Move your cursor on the circle, left click right button. Now let's practice how to unselect an object. Say I don't want to select this circle. Let's hold the Shift key and left click your mouse button. See? So the color changed. This object is not selected now. Let's try to unselect this one. Put on your hold the left Shift key and put on your cursor on the circle, left click your mouse button. Okay, we unselected these two circles. Okay, you can practice how to use them. Thank you for your watching.